Okay, let's take a look at the market before we resume trading tomorrow. Today is December 8, 2013. Here's a chart of all the indexes, the Dow Jones Industrial, the transportation, the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the Russell 2000. The red arrow was the indication of the day when it made its new high or the new all-time high for the Dow Jones, the industrial, the transportation, and S&P 500. The last new all-time high that was made was on, I believe, November 27, and then on the Russell 2000 it's the November 28, and last Friday, December the 6th, the NASDAQ 100 made a multi-year high. So right now, basically, the last new high, the all-time high that the Dow Jones Industrial made was confirmed by the Dow Jones Transportation. So essentially, based on the Dow theory, we have a confirmed new high. So based on that, we expect the Dow Jones Industrial to at least see another new high before it even consider to topping out. So that's the reason why I have tweeted on Stock Tweet that the diamond is your best friend right now. So if you want to trade the index, probably the one to trade might be the diamond. So let's take a look at the individual index right now. And first of all, let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial. You can see that this channel, using the 2009 low, still intact. We're essentially still looking for the industrial to continue to move, even though we did see a little bit of a shooting star type of a pattern here. Let me get this zoom in. You see this little shooting star type of a candle on a weekly basis, and then we got a little bit of a hammer, or you could call this a hangman. But right now, it seemed to still holding on, and if it continue to move up higher, we could easily see this to get up to this 16,500 or even close to the 17,000. So if we take a look at the daily here, you can see that daily we also were was watching this particular price channel here, and once it broke this channel right here, let me see, broke to here, and it went up. Here's a little bit of a shooting star on a daily, and then it pulled back, and it seems to found some support, and now it's coming back up. So we're essentially going to see, could it take out this previous high here, and that's basically what we're looking at on the Dow Jones Industrial. And then if we take a look at the S&P 500, the S&P 500, first look at the weekly again, similarly to the Dow Jones Industrial, it is still trending in this price channel. As a matter of fact, it booked out of it a little bit. And if we take a look at this zooming in, you see there's a little doji here. And then now we got a little bit also sort of like a graystone doji on the top here, out here on a weekly. So we got to be careful on that. And if we take a look on the daily, we can see that the daily is still continue to move higher. You see that on this Fibonacci retracement here, we see it broke through and got up to that 127 and then pulled back. So right now it seems to be heading up again, and we could see the next level possibly at this 141, and that will be somewhere around the 1821, or the 161. It could be the 1845. Up in that extension. So those are the levels to watch, and the downside is probably this 1772 area here on this breakout level for support. So, and if we take a look at the NASDAQ 100, let's go and take a look at the weekly first, and again you see the NASDAQ 100 is also trending up and hitting the upper trend line of this price channel, this long-term price channel based on the 2009 low. So right now, and on the daily, we also see the daily here in the Fibonacci retracement. We see it kind of tagging this 127 at near this 34, 3,500 here. Okay, so if we come down and take a look at this, that could possibly continue to move up into the, let me get this thing down here, into the 35, 38, 35, 40 area on this 141 extension. Then there's a good possibility if it blow out of there, then it could come up to this 161 near the 3600. So, and finally, looking at the Russell 2000, going back to the weekly first, you also see that it's poking out a little bit of the above this upper trend line on this price channel here, right? And if we zoom this in, you can see that again it's got a little bit of a hangman type of a candle here, but it's holding up on this trend line. And if we go and take a look at the daily, we can also see that it's kind of came down and tagged this little bit of a resistance here for support. This breakout level somewhere around the 1121, 1122. So right now we're essentially looking for this to come back up and test this 1143 and possibly take out the 1155 area on this 141 if we continue to move up. So and finally, let's go and take a look at the Dow Jones Transportation as well. And on the weekly, you see that the Dow Jones Transportation is continuing to also trending up to the upper trend line here on this long-term price channel. And then looking at the daily, you can see that the daily is coming up to reclaim this new high. We're essentially looking for the transportation possibly get up to somewhere around that 7,500 level. If we take out this, let me put up this Fibonacci here, so we could see a little bit of the possibility of what some of the level that we're talking about. So this 127 is somewhere around 74.82. So if this transportation index could make another new all-time high, and take out this 72.60 level, this close to that 72.60, and we could see it come up and possibly tag near the 7,500. So that's the quick look at the market, and definitely the bias still seems to be on the upside, but it is getting extended. What we could do is only trade what we see. So even though it is 40, maybe extended, we just have to be a little bit more defensive. Definitely, you don't want to go chase after any type of short. So you want to just focus on potential long. So good luck on the trading.